Good morning to all. Students, today I am going to discuss with you a topic of grammar. The name of the topic is pronouns and kinds of pronouns. Firstly, let's go through with the definition of pronoun. Students, as we know that pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun, except it occupies the same position as a noun in a sentence. It plays a role of subject. It also agree with the verb in the sentence. It means it also follows the subject agreement rules. For example, Mr. Ram is an engineer in a firm. He goes to his factory in a car. In first sentence, Mr. Ram is main subject and proper noun. And at the place of Mr. Ram, in second line, I use the pronoun he. And he pronoun is also enjoying the same weightage as in first sentence noun. Now, I am going to discuss with you kinds of pronouns. We have 7 kinds of pronouns: personal, possessive, demonstrative, interrogative, relative, reflexive, and emphatic. Firstly, I am going to discuss with you personal pronouns. As we know very well that personal pronouns are associated with persons or things. हम things ना कि person, हम things के लिए भी pronoun use करते हैं. अब जो things और persons वो दो तरह से 2 types बच्चे, singular and plural. It means एक वचन भी हो सकते हैं और बहुवचन भी हो सकते हैं. Please pay attention on this table. This table is mentioned on your books. Look carefully. Firstly, this table is divided row-wise or column-wise. Row-wise, the persons are divided into 3 kinds, 3 categories. First person, second person और third person. बच्चे first person क्या होता है? First person जो अपने बारे में बात करता है. For example, my name is Neha. I am a teacher by profession. In my school, everybody likes me. After reading this example, you would understand that I am talking about myself. I admitted कि my name is Neha. अब मैं नेहा हूं तो नेहा ने अपने लिए फर्स्ट पर्सन के लिए, नेहा इज ए फर्स्ट पर्सन बिकॉज नेहा इज टॉकिंग अबाउट हर सेल्फ. तो नेहा ने यहां पर अपने लिए कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज किया बेटे? आई एम अ टीचर बाय प्रोफेशन. In my school, everybody likes me. Here, next pronoun is this one, me. Neha used 2 pronouns for herself, I and me. It means जब speaker या कोई person generally अपने बारे में बात करता है, तो he or she uses some kinds of pronouns. Those pronouns are called first person pronouns. Next, second person. Second person pronoun is you. Let's understand by reading this example. And also, this example would help to understand the third person. अब second person बेटा क्या होता है? जब हम किसी से बात करते हैं, when we talk to someone. For example, here, Ram, you know, my father is coming from America. He is very nice person. Speaker is talking to Ram and saying, you know, अब उसने राम को एड्रेस किया है. Speaker is talking to Ram. सो राम कौन है? सेकंड पर्सन. और सेकंड पर्सन के लिए उसने कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज किया है? यू. My father is coming from America. And he is giving the information about his father. It means यहाँ पे father कौन है? Third person, because speaker is talking to Ram about his father. My father is coming from America. He is very nice person. अब speaker ने अपने father के लिए which pronoun use? He. He is very nice person. So this is called third person. He. इफ मदर के बारे में या सिस्टर के बारे में और मे बी फेमिनाइन जेंडर के रिगार्डिंग बात करते बेटे तो शी यूज होना था एंड यूज ऑफ इट दैट वी विल रीड इन फर्दर एग्जाम्पल्स. अगेन आई एम कमिंग बैक टू दिस टेबल अगेन. प्लीज पे अटेंशन. देन हेयर पर्सन्स आर classified into two kinds, singular and plural. And singular and plural cases are further classified into subjective pronoun and objective pronoun. So what are subjective pronoun and what are objective pronoun? बच्चे, we must have knowledge that like noun, pronoun has also cases. These cases are divided into two parts, subjective and objective case. अब subjective क्या होता है बच्चे? We know very well that in each sentence the sentence start with subject, जिसे हम बोलते हैं कर्ता, तो that is called subject. और जब हम उसकी जगह पे pronoun use करते हैं at the place of subject, then that case is called subjective pronoun. और then जब pronoun is placed or used at the place of object, this is called objective case. For example, you can visit me anytime. Here you is main subject and pronoun can visit me. Can visit me. Me also placed after the verb, so it is called object. So you is subjective case and me is objective case. बच्चे इस चीज को दो तरह से समझेंगे, फिर उसी टेबल पे आइए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखिएगा, सब्जेक्टिव केस फर्स्ट पर्सन आई होता है. आई टोल्ड यू दैट व्हेन वी गिव सम शेयर आर पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन विद अदर. बट अगर आई ऑब्जेक्टिव केस पे आएगा तो दैट वुड कन्वर्ट इनटू मी. you. He would convert into him. She, her. It. अब plural case we. Where we use the personal pronoun we हम use करते हैं. For example, I and Rama are best friends. Tomorrow we are going to Golden Temple. तो I and Rama, अब हम दो पर्सन्स थे, दैट्स वाई टू सब्जेक्ट थे इक्वल वेटेज के, दैट्स वाई आई यूज द प्रोनाउन वी. एंड देन वी वुड कम एट द प्लेस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, इट वुड कन्वर्ट इनटू अस. यू प्लूरल में भी काउंट होता है बेटे और सिंगुलर में भी. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू पुअर इंडियंस. नेक्स्ट, they would convert into them. See the examples. I play football with them. अब I play, I is a subjective case. So at the place of subject I placed I. That's why this is subjective case. Play football with them. बच्चे मैंने यहाँ पे दे यूज नहीं किया. अगर दे यूज करते तो डैट वुड बी रॉन्ग. सो एट द प्लेस ऑफ दे आई यूज देम. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल देखिएगा, दे प्ले फुटबॉल विद मी. अब दे आया है बेटे सब्जेक्ट की एट द प्लेस ऑफ सब्जेक्ट. अब यहाँ पे देम नहीं आएगा, देम आएगा तो ये रॉन्ग होगा. दे आएगा, दे प्ले फुटबॉल विद मी। अब यहाँ पे विद आई तो नहीं आया बेटे, विद मी आया, बिकॉज आई इज प्लेस्ड एट द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑब्जेक्ट, सो दिस इज ऑब्जेक्टिव केस। So बच्चे, these are the pronouns which we use at the place of a noun. In I, we, you is used as a singular and in plural sense. He, she, it, they. Second rule regarding personal pronoun, that it agrees with its noun in its number and gender. For example, number and gender, it agrees its noun कि noun कैसा है, masculine gender है या feminine gender है, वो singular sense में है कि plural में है. For example, Neha is a teacher. She teaches us maths. तो Neha is a singular, so at the place of Neha I use the pronoun she. Ram is a teacher. He teaches us maths. So at the place of Ram, because Ram is a proper noun and masculine gender, so that's why I used the pronoun he at the place of Ram. Next rule, third rule, when you speak more than one person, the pronoun should be used in the following sequence. किस तरह से बच्चे, हमने अभी पढ़ा pronouns are categorized into three categories: first person, second person and third person. But अगर ये first person, second person and third person collectively आते हैं तो इनकी sequence को हमें follow कर, there is some code which you have to keep remember in your mind always. 2, 3, 1. It means second person would place at first place, after that third person and then first person. See the example. I, you and she went to a park. बच्चे, this is wrong sentence. Why? अभी हमने पढ़ा है 2, 3, 1, that is the code. Firstly second person, after that third and then first person would arrange in a sentence. Or here in this first sentence, I first person, you second person and she third person. तो हमारा तो बेटे कोड बन गया 1, 2, 3. तो ये नहीं आएगा, हमने कोड क्या फॉलो करना है, 2, 3, 1, second, third and first person. So arrange it again. You, she and I went to a park. This is right sentence. बच्चे, here I read the word with you, it. It is used in subjective case as well as in objective case. और ये चेंज नहीं होता, it subjective में भी it रहता है और objective sense में भी it रहता है. So it use कहाँ करते हैं? Mainly, firstly we must have knowledge. Firstly, refer to the non-living things. अब non-living things you know very well कि कौन सी चीजें non-living things है. For example, this pen is non-living things. Chair, table are non-living things. Non-living things which can't move from one place to another. Those things are called non-living things. Second, for animals. Animals कब? When the gender is not known. Because students, while writing down a story, आपने animals की अगर story लिखी हो तो आप एनिमल्स के जेंडर को डिस्क्राइब करते हो ही और शी. बट व्हेन यू हैव अ नॉलेज अबाउट द जेंडर ऑफ एनिमल्स. सेकेंडली, चाइल्ड की सेंस में भी रूल इज सेम. जब हमें बच्चे का भी जेंडर क्लियर नहीं होता कि ये लड़का है कि लड़की है. सी द एग्जाम्पल. आई हैव पेंटेड अ पिक्चर. इट इज अबाउट हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स of pollution. I have painted a picture. Picture is a non-living thing. So I used at the place of picture it. क्योंकि picture की बात कर रहा है वो. It is about harmful effects of pollution. Next, the baby is in the cot. It is sleeping peacefully. अभी मैंने बताया बेटे कि child की सेंस में भी हम लोग it यूज करते हैं जब हमें जेंडर नहीं पता होता. नेक्स्ट, ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स के लिए भी इट यूज होता है. often used as an empty or meaningless subject with expressions. अब expressions कौन कौन से होते हैं? अब expressions for example में time के लिए देना हो, weather के लिए देना हो, and distance के लिए देना हो. Time, it is past 3 o'clock. Weather, it is very hot today. And in the sense of distance, it is about 10 kilometers from my office. So students, today you have learned about definition of pronoun. After that, personal pronoun and use of it. Thank you. Have a nice day.